Today, we are proposing a symbol that provides a clear and easy to understand visual that will make choosing the healthier option the easier option for Canadians. This symbol would appear on foods that are high in sugars, sodium, and saturated fats. This means that parents will be able to quickly spot the most sugary products even as they race down the aisle with their children in tow. It also means that people with health conditions like high blood pressure will be able to easily identify products that are high in salt and choose healthier options instead. This will also encourage manufacturers to reduce levels of sodium, sugars, and saturated fats in their products, meaning that healthier options should become more widely available. The symbol would not apply to many whole foods, like plain milk, for example. Although it may be high in saturated fats, milk has health benefits, particularly for children. The proposed labels that are here, we can see that it puts saturated fats, sugars, and sodium. So to get a front of pack label on a product, you would have to, the ingredients, one of those ingredients would have to meet or exceed the 15% daily intake. So that is kind of the threshold that we're focusing on. By December 2018 of this year, the regulations will be finalized. Then from there, we are going to be providing a 4-year transitional period to allow industries in order to make the proper label changes that are going to be required.